Today, I'm diving into My AI Room Designer, the just released AI software that's taking the interior design world by storm. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful tool and whether it's worth your time. Stick around till the end for my personal recommendation based on my experience with this AI and others in the same category. Let's get straight to it. My AI Room Designer is an innovative tool that uses AI to redesign your space based on your preferences and needs. Whether you're a professional designer, a DIY enthusiast, or someone simply looking to refresh your living room, this tool offers features that can save you both time and money. You can even try it for free using the link below, so stay tuned for more details. First off, what makes My AI Room Designer stand out? The software takes your room dimensions, current furniture layout, and style preferences, then generates a complete, realistic 3D design tailored to your space. It's like having your own personal interior designer at a fraction of the cost. The results are impressive and can give you a fresh perspective on how to optimize your living space. One of the most powerful features of My AI Room Designer is its ease of use. The interface is clean and simple. No need to be tech savvy or experienced with design tools. Just upload a picture or enter your room's dimensions, and the AI does the rest. It's a huge time saver, especially if you've been struggling to visualize how new furniture or decor will look in your room. Another key feature that's drawing attention is its style customization. You can choose from a wide range of design themes, from modern minimalism to cozy farmhouse aesthetics. The AI learns your preferences the more you use it, refining its suggestions to match your unique taste. Plus, the software offers real-time editing, so you can tweak the design as you go, perfect for those who want to make changes on the fly. What's more, this AI tool integrates with major furniture retailers. After designing your ideal room, you can view links to buy the furniture items directly from the design suggestions. This makes it easy to take the guesswork out of purchasing, ensuring you find pieces that match your vision while staying within your budget. Now, let's talk about affordability. As with most new AI software, there are paid tiers, but the free version offers plenty of functionality to test the waters. I highly recommend starting with the free trial, because honestly, after exploring the features for yourself, you might decide that this is exactly what you need to elevate your space. But is it perfect? Not quite. While My AI Room Designer is definitely user-friendly, there are some limitations to keep in mind. For example, it works best with smaller spaces, and the design options can feel somewhat constrained in certain layouts. If you're working with a large, complex room, you may not get the full customization that you would expect from a professional designer. Still, for most users, it provides a solid solution for home redesign. The software also boasts AI-powered suggestions for color schemes, textures, and lighting, helping you create a cohesive look. This is ideal if you're unsure of what colors or furniture pieces will work together. The AI's ability to factor in lighting and shadows in the design preview helps you visualize the atmosphere and vibe of the space. So, after testing My AI Room Designer alongside several other design AIs, I can confidently say that it's one of the best tools out there for both beginners and more experienced users. Its mix of ease of use, customization, and real-time updates make it a standout, especially if you want to revamp a room quickly without breaking the bank. Before I wrap up, remember, if you're interested in trying My AI Room Designer, you can get started for free using the link below. And don't forget, I've also included my top recommended AI tools in the description after testing thousands of options over the years. You can find them there for free, and trust me, they'll make your life a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.